for Sport.
I'm Gabbie.
And I'm Kiyomi.
And we're from Dubai College.
I am a gymnast. I eat carbohydrates for a slow release of energy. I eat stuff like pasta. Sugars aren't always good for you, but are a quick release of energy. I sometimes use them before my dances.
During running, when you move your leg forward, you mainly use your quadricep muscle at the front of your thighs. This bends the hip and straightens the knee. This helps to stabilize the knee and absorbs the shock when impacting the ground.
Long-distance runners generally carry little weight as extra weight slows them down, and they must work on strength and endurance. However, sprinters usually carry more weight as it allows them to be more powerful and to cut through the wind.
Respiration releases energy for cells from glucose. Aerobic respiration requires an oxygen supply, however, anaerobic respiration does not. During exercise, the muscle cells respire more than they do at rest. This means oxygen and glucose must be delivered to them at a faster rate.
This is our experiment demonstrating respiration.
This is the equipment we will be using throughout our experiment.
Here are 2 narrow funnels as well as 2 measuring spoons, a measuring cylinder and some balloons. We also have a ruler, some sugar, some dried active yeast and a beaker full of lukewarm water.
First of all, we insert a narrow funnel into the balloon. We use the measuring cylinder to measure 5 millilitres of sugar. We then use the measuring cylinder to measure 15 millilitres of dried active yeast. We then pour the mixture of sugar and dried active yeast into the balloon using the narrow funnel. We have now filtered the mixture into the balloon. We will now pour the lukewarm water into the balloon. We have now tied a knot in the balloon. We will set a timer and observe the changes over the next few hours. We will now put the balloon in a warm place outside to watch as the reaction takes place and the balloon expands.
You're now repeating the experiment for accurate results.
I am now pouring the water into our second balloon. These are the results from our experiment after a few hours. You will notice that the blue balloon has expanded a lot less than the purple balloon.